Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, lived a curious little elephant named Elly. Elly had big, floppy ears and a tiny trunk that wiggled when she was excited. One sunny day, Elly decided to explore beyond her favorite mud puddle dot as she wandered. Elly met a chatty parrot named Pip. "Where are you going?" squawked Pip. "To find the sparkling river," Elly trumpeted. Pip offered to guide her. They trotted past tall trees and colorful flowers, giggling at hopping frogs. Suddenly, a thorny bush blocked their path. Elly was scared, but Pip said, "Use your strong trunk." Elly pushed the bush aside, feeling brave. Soon, they heard the river sparkle. It shimmered like a million stars. Elly splashed in the cool water, spurring Pip, who laughed. On their way back, Elly helped a stuck turtle by nudging it free with her trunk. The jungle cheered for her kindness. Elly returned home, her heart full of joy. She learned that adventures are fun, but helping friends makes them even better.